Today, I want to share another successful recovery story, one that reminds us that the body never truly gives up if we give it the right support. This is the story of a 45-year-old male who came to us feeling completely defeated. His report showed a sperm count of just a 3 million. He had already visited multiple clinics, tried every possible supplement and tonic available in the market, and spent years hoping for improvement. But each time, his report said the same thing, the low sperm count. Over the time, he stopped believing that he could ever become a father. But as I always say, if you have a positive mindset, your half recovery is done. When this patient came to us, we didn't immediately start strong fertility medications. Instead, we began by the understanding the root cause behind his low sperm count, because in most cases the problem is not just our testicles, it lies in the whole system. A man's reproductive health is deeply connected with his digestion, hormones, and overall metabolism. In his case, we found multiple contributing factors. His digestion was poor, he constantly faced bloating, acidity, and irregular bowel movements. He had a sedentary lifestyle, sitting for long hours with a little physical movements. His sleep cycle was disturbed and stress was high due to work pressure. All these things had built up over years and directly impacted his hormonal balance and sperm producing capacity. Now, this is where most people go wrong. They focus only on the symptoms, low sperm count, and ignore the underlying causes. But the truth is, if your liver, gut, and hormones are not functioning optimally, your sperm count cannot improve, no matter how many supplements you take. So we started his treatment by focusing on his digestion first. We worked on improving his gut health and liver function, because these two systems control the nutrient absorptions, metabolism, and hormonal balance. Once we noticed improvement in his digestion, better appetite, reducing bloating, regular bowel movements, we gradually introduced Ayurvedic formulation that support reproductive health. Our focus was on Ayurvedic support that helps the body naturally stimulate testosterone, strengthen the testicular tissues, and the improve sperm formations. Along with medicines, we advise lifestyle changes, fixed meal timings, early bedtime, moderate exercises, and stress reduction practices. Within just 1 month of consistent effort, his sperm count increased from 3 million to 40 million. This transformation wasn't a miracle. It was a result of addressing the root cause, not just our numbers. However, I always tell my patients every recovery story is unique. Some men see results in a month, while others may take 3 or 6 months. And why? Because the recovery time depends on multiple factors. How long the condition has existed, how severely the hormonal excess is affected, and whether the body digestion and metabolism are ready to absorb and utilize the treatment properly. Age also plays a role. Younger men tend to recover faster, while those in 40s or 50s might take longer due to reduced cellular regeneration. But regardless of age or duration, recovery is possible when the treatment is holistic and consistent. To speed up recovery, one must ensure the 3 things: good gut health, proper sleep, and stress control. These are not optional, they are fundamentals. When your digestion is healthy, your body can absorb essential nutrients like zinc, folate, and vitamin B12. All are crucial for a sperm production. When you sleep well, your body releases testosterone effectively. And when stress is managed, cortisol levels stay balanced, allowing hormones to function smoothly. These simple but powerful factors often determine how quickly your sperm count improves. So to anyone watching this who feels hopeless after seeing low sperm count or azoospermia on their reports, remember this story. Even a 3 million count can rise to 40 million if you focus on the root cause instead of just a symptom. Don't assume that your body is finished. It's waiting for you to give it the right direction, the right care, and the right environment to heal. With that, I will end this video on a positive note. Don't think recovery is impossible. Think, where can I begin again? Because sometimes all it takes in 1 month or a consistent effort to change your story completely. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay hopeful, and keep trying for yourself.